Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes fix all BCD boot error in GPT or UEFI systems. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer, click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. First type BCD edit, find your boot drive and Windows installation drive, in my case C is boot drive and D is Windows installed drive. Second, check your system partition is MBR or BIOS. No star under GPT indicates the system partition is MBR or BIOS system. Type bootrec /fix MBR. Type bootrec /fix boot. If any error in this command, use next command. Bootsec /NT60 sys. Type attrib C colan /boot /BCD -H -R -S. Type ren C colan /boot /BCD BCD13.old. Type bootrec /RebuildBCD. Type BCD boot Windows installed drive colan /Windows /S boot drive colan /F all. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.